Good morning, friends. Myself P. Kumar from Forteller India Private Limited. We are conducting this session for clarification of doubts regarding our software, working of our software winning streaks. In this series, we have covered almost all the points and elaborated how to use the software, what are all terminologies, and all these video tutorials are available in YouTube as well as it can be accessed through our software also. So in the last part of this series, in this session, we shall be covering the usage part of the triggers and levels, how to match them, how to use them, and how to analyze the market, right? So now we will be coming towards the chart. Say this is the chart of Nifty. I think no levels are there, right? This is the original position. So first of all, control panel, swing triggers, trigger on major. First we will cover the, okay, before it, we should cover this one, levels, deep levels and running levels, right? Just to have a overview of the market. Now please observe these levels. Here, blue one is running level and yellow one is deep level. Now at this level, say 11,770, you can say. At this level, 1.68 level, minus 1.68 level of deep level as well as running level. Both are coinciding. Similarly, at minus 1.38 level also, 1.382 level is also coinciding. And at upper level, I think 4 point last level is coinciding. So one thing you can work it out that this level, 11,770, you can say, this level is very strong support. 99% chances are there this cannot be broken. In case it breaks down, in that condition, there is full chance that a steep downfall can be observed. Right? This is our preliminary observation. Now we have noted down the at least 1.68 level of deep level, 11,770 and 1.68 of deep level, 11,940, 940, yes. Nearing to, no, not 11,940, it is 946. You can say roughly we can assume 11,950. So this is the range we can expect that market will not go beyond these levels. So we get a broader picture with these levels, right? Now note down these basic levels of running levels. Yeah, or you can switch off this deep level and continue with the running level. But I would suggest that kindly make a note of major levels of running levels and switch it off also, because we shall be making trigger points levels. So a lot of levels will be there, so it may become clumsy. As you can see, this price has opened in between 1.68 level of deep level. So we are expecting a movement accordingly. Now we are going to next level, right? Make it off. Put a before demand zone, supply zone. We should have a look of GAN levels. What is the GAN reversal level? Just a simple note, right? We're just noting before moving forward, right? Our price has just opened below the reversal level. This is one reversal level. Next is this side. Next reversal level is at 12,100, and at lower side 11,660. We have noted that 11,770 as per deep level and 11,950. But at deep at GAN reversal level, this is 12,100 and 11,660 roughly. Again, we are having midpoints of these levels. Just have a note of it, all these things. You have to be very vigilant before making any entries or trades. Just make a note of them. These are the levels for the day. So we have to be cautious when the price approaches these levels. Just have a note, right? Because if price has to go upside, it will have to first this resistance, then this resistance, then it will bounce back from here finally. And if it breaks it up, then again similar. Same is the case with downside. So now we will make it off. You have to note down the levels very clearly after this thing. Keeping in mind all these levels, where are the major supports, where are the major resistance levels. Now check the swing triggers and trigger or major triggers, targets on major triggers check. Then levels okay, levels okay. Now demand and supply zone. Only 15 minutes we have to take. If any major moves are there, then we will open the 60 minutes and daily so that we can be aware of any major supply zone or demand zone. Right? Just open it. What we are finding at this point, there was a supply zone. But today it has been broken, so we are not considering it, right? Just a moment. This is 8th October. We are at 9th October, right? So But we observe that there is no major demand zone or supply zone nearby, so we can smoothly go ahead. Kindly uh, keep these checkboxes on because these are dynamic levels. At any moment of time, they will appear. So now swing triggers. Our first up move is projected by 10:55 a.m. Right? Before that, what was our move? This was our move. Very narrow band. Now, till this time, what you have to observe. See how to use these triggers. Any buy entry upside move, we have to observe from this lower line, lower magenta line. And any sell entry or downside move, we have to observe through this upper magenta line. Irrespective of what the signals are, what the trigger are, we have to observe from these lines. See, now here you observe that this was a sell entry and price doesn't break through this upper line. It came down. So this entry is still valid. Please note, these entries are still valid, these levels. In case this would have been a buy entry, let's assume this would have been a buy entry, means upside move, price, and we entered here, price came here and just break down this level, lower level. So once this level is broken, means our buy entry, this signal has ceased now. It is nullified. So we have to just keep a watch on this point. If it is not clear, I will clear it in next point also. So currently, since this is a sell signal and market has moved in the direction of the signal, we can assume that this signal is valid, right? Next signal is this point. Yes. Now we are getting a very wide levels. So here, what should be our entry point? Our buy entry is at this level, as we have said. Sell entries are at this level, right? In case of buy entry, our stop losses are just beyond this point. Say 2, 3 points, 5 points beyond this level, our stop losses. Similarly, in case of sell entries, again our stop losses are beyond these levels. Since it was a buy trigger, we can assume that ultimately price is, till the time this trigger is valid, price is set to go upside. It will not come down. Ultimately, it will go up. In meanwhile, this counter trigger will try to deviate our mind and they will try to pull the market down. Or since it is upside, counter trigger may try to pull it down. But till the time this price has not breached this level and closed beyond these things and sustained, closed and sustained for 3, 4 candles, 5 candles beyond this level. Till such time, you can assume that your upside trend is still valid till your next trend appear at this level, right? So currently, shall we make buy entry? No, because price is in midway. We have to wait. Let it come here. Here, of course, you can make a sell entry because price has come to your sell level. You can make a sell entry. Nominal stop losses you can keep, 4, 5, 10 points you can keep. Price came back. It gives you a substantial good points. Say entry at say 923, 11,923, and exit at say closing is 11,888. Say around 40, 45 points you are getting here. So good. In Nifty, it is very good points. Right? Why we will quit here? Because this is the 50% line of these two. 50% chaos in between it is 50%. Visually you can observe. So there is a risk that price may bounce back from here also. Right? So price is not going beyond this level since this trend is valid. Again, this trend is valid. Here also we get a counter trend of negative side, but price is within this level, so our trend is valid. Here we get a sell position. Now our level changes, right? Price is say below 50% at this level. Here is supply zone and price is around 50%. So it can go at any direction. So it is not a safe entry. We'll have to wait for the entry. So from here onward, sell entry is active till such time. So sell condition may appear, right? And supply zone is also there, so market may go down, right? This is the procedure with which we can make proper entries and exit. Now coming to the counter trend. See, here it was same trend, so no problem. Here, see how this counter trend has ceased. Just this will clear now. This is the counter trend. It is nearing the upper level. This is the upper level. It is nearing to upper level. Price is set to go beyond this. Now it has closed beyond this. Next candle has not closed inside this line. So in all likelihood, this up counter trend is going to fail. And it has ultimately failed and ceased, finished. Because here we got another trend, another counter trend of sell. So midway price, no, opening is was nearing to the higher level. So in case we make a set, we can get pricing up to here, right? But please observe that till this time, our initial this entry, just a moment, here on, this was our first entry. This is still valid till this point. Till this point, it is still valid. Now, this is a sell entry. Again, it is valid till this point because it is within this limit. At lower level, we have to buy. Upper level, we have to sell. We can buy or sell at this level also, but our stop losses will be higher because it will be beyond this 4 or 5 points below these points. Now again here it is buy entry. Price is nearing towards. Visually you can observe that after opening, price has opened beyond 50% level of these lines. Visually you can observe. So it is a risky entry for buy part. Wait and watch. If it comes here, we can initiate a sell entry also. Right? So these are the applicability of these lines, and these are the targets which can be achieved. And if one decides to go with the major trend, you will get very good moves. However, if you decide to go with counter trend, then also if you properly analyze it in this fashion, you will get good moves. In further tutorials, we shall be presenting daily performances of various scripts. If you observe all these actual analysis of daily 4 or 5 scripts which we are making, you will become very proficient in working out these details. See, here we got one bullet trend. Just targets on bullet trends. Clear all others. Here, see. It is on ups. Visual inspection. You can say 50%. It is above 50% line. This opening, nearing to this level. So downside entry we can assume. Say how much point it has given to you. It is 11,867 opening, and till this point we got the entry that 11,791, and this is 11,857, almost 60 point, 50 or 60 point. Such a big move you are getting with these bullet trends, sudden moves and bullet trend, right? Although it was indicated by the counter trend earlier and confirmed by the bullet trend. So please try and practice in this fashion. You will get a good exposure and good insight of how these triggers are working and these levels are working. And to achieve proficiency, please regularly watch our performance analysis videos, which we shall be posting regularly in periodic intervals. So you will gain good proficiency in working these levels. So I hope basic analysis part is clear. And for proficiency in these levels, just kindly ensure that you are observing all these points in regular fashion. So I shall be ending this session now. And for all further queries, you can write a mail. If you are having any further queries, you can write a mail to winningstreaks.spp@gmail.com. And through website also you can post your messages. And once again, to gain proficiency in working out the direction and triggers interpretation, simply observe our videos which we shall be posting in regular manner, so that you will gain a good understanding of the subject, right? So I shall be ending now. Thank you all for
listening this video. Thanks.